Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, March 23rd. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is some land surrounded by water. Island, very nice. Number 2, to turn something off. When you're finished with it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The island is green. The island is green. Island. We don't pronounce the S. The island is green and beautiful. It is land surrounded by water. Now we can make a flashcard for island. For island, we say on. Jennifer lives on an island. Please make a card like this. Write island up here in the top left corner. I-S-L-A-N-D together with on, an island. Down in this corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 80 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Island. Island. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will turn the TV off. I will turn the TV off. Turn the TV off. I am finished. I don't want to watch TV anymore. I will turn the TV off. That's correct. I will turn off the TV. Also correct. I will turn it off. Also correct. We have 3 ways to use these. Now we can make a card. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to turn something off. Please write that up here. Down here, STI1. This means separable, 2-word idiom, level 1. And over here the number 7 out of 8. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Turn. Off. Turn off. Game over. You did really well today. Bob lives on an island. Very nice. First I will turn the TV on, and then I will turn the TV off. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, diet. Yes, this could be when you're trying to lose weight or just what people eat. Number 2 is a person. Roommate. Yes, in the same room as you. And to forward something is when you get an email and then you send it to somebody else. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.